Hello and welcome back to the ZebraTalk series. We've just had our event about purpose-driven organisations, asking whether it's just a marketing catchphrase or is it the foundation for organisational success. And we spent a lot of time deconstructing what that is and explaining what purpose was. But I have with me one of our key contributors, and I'd like you to explain a little bit about who you are.
Sure.
Who you work for and what purpose means to you.
Okay, so I'm Eric Mays. I'm the CEO of Endomag, and Endomag is a medical device company that our mission is to provide the best standard of care for everyone everywhere.
Yeah.
But practically what it is that we do is we develop devices that help surgeons that are involved in cancer surgery find the tissue they're looking for so they can minimize the amount of tissue that's taken out, provide a better patient experience, better clinical outcomes.
Fantastic. And so, I mean, that feels like a very clear purpose, but
yes.
So how have you used that in your organization?
So, I mean, it's a clear purpose, but it took a long time to get there. I mean, even though we are a medical device company and are, touching patients' lives, that did provide a lot of purpose to us, but it wasn't clear early on. Are we just doing this to make money on that transaction? We're making a better product for surgeons, but over time, what we recognized is the business driver for this was really to make the standard of care available more places, so that increases the market size, but at the same time we could do that in a way that we could optimize the pricing so that patients, rather than having to transport themselves to another hospital, etc., we could decrease the overall cost that patients see, as well as widen the scope, and that aligned very nicely with the business purpose.
Fantastic. And I mean, that was one of the things that struck me when you were speaking in our event, was how purpose was coming first. Yes. You were using your purpose to inform your business decisions, and you were finding a way to make your purpose live in the decisions you were taking. And I think some people were inspired by that, and so that is the way businesses should be operating now. But that was my takeaway from what you were saying. What was your takeaway from our session today?
I think one of the big takeaways is a lot of people were talking about purpose and the impacts that that had, but the overall event was also about how purpose could lead growth in organizations, and the importance that organizations need to be able to grow to become sustainable. And so sustainability as a part of purpose is a very critical ingredient. Whether it's not necessarily about sustainability in terms of the environment, it's also sustainability as economically as an organization to be able to grow and ensure that those impacts that come from the purpose can be maintained for the lifetime of business.
Well, absolutely, and I guess if the organisation doesn't exist anymore, if it's not having scale, then you're not going to achieve your purpose. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Chris.